30 days from now is a completely transformed version of yourself. Stronger, more disciplined, more successful. What if I told you that in just 1 month, you could rewire your mindset, build powerful habits, and set yourself on a path toward the life you've always dreamed of? Too many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect time to change, but let me tell you something. There is no perfect time. The only time you have is right now, and if you don't take action today, a month from now, you'll be in the exact same place, wondering why you didn't start sooner. But that doesn't have to be your story. This is your chance to break free from self-doubt, to stop making excuses, and to commit relentlessly to your own success. The next 30 days will pass, whether you take action or not. The only question is, will you use them to change your life? I want you to imagine something with me. Picture yourself 1 month from today. What do you see? Are you the same person you are right now? Or have you evolved into someone stronger, more disciplined, and more focused? That's exactly what we're here to discuss today, the power of personal transformation in just 30 days. Most people overestimate what they can accomplish in a year, but underestimate what they can achieve in a month. A month is a powerful time frame. It's long enough to create lasting change, yet short enough to stay focused and motivated. It's the perfect window to kickstart your journey towards success. Let me tell you something. Success doesn't happen by chance. It's not luck or fate. It's a decision. And right now, in this very moment, you're making that decision. You're choosing to take control of your life, to stop drifting aimlessly, and to start shaping your future with intention. Because here's the truth. If you don't design your own life plan, you'll inevitably fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. So what does a 1-month success plan look like? It's built on 4 fundamental pillars: mindset, goals, habits, and action. These are the cornerstones of personal transformation. Get these right, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in just 30 days. Let's start with mindset. Think of your mind as a garden. What are you planting in it? Are you sowing seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, or are you planting seeds of growth, possibility, and abundance? Because whatever you plant will grow. For the next 30 days, I want you to become a master gardener of your mind. Pull out the weeds of negativity, uproot the limiting beliefs that have held you back, and start planting new seeds. Seeds of confidence, potential, and the person you aspire to be. How do you do this? It starts with self-talk. The way you speak to yourself matters more than you realize. On average, you have about 600 thoughts per day. And for many people, the majority of those thoughts are negative. I can't do this. I'm not good enough. It's too hard. Sound familiar? For the next 30 days, I want you to catch those negative thoughts, identify them, challenge them, and replace them. Instead of saying, I can't, ask yourself, how can I? Replace I'm not good enough with I'm learning and growing every day. Swap it's too hard with this is an opportunity for me to become stronger. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about strategic thinking. It's about rewiring your brain for success. Because here's the truth. Success begins in your mind long before it appears in your life. Now let's talk about goals. Goals are the GPS of success. Without clear direction, you're just wandering. You might be moving, but you're not making real progress. For this 30-day plan, I want you to set clear, specific goals. Not vague wishes, but concrete targets. What do you want to accomplish in the next month? Maybe it's losing 10 pounds. Maybe it's reading 5 books. Maybe it's increasing your income by 20%. Whatever your goal is, make it specific, measurable, and most importantly, meaningful to you, because the real power of a goal isn't just in achieving it, it's in who you become along the way. If you set a goal to lose 10 pounds, it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about becoming someone who prioritizes health, who is disciplined, and who can delay gratification for a greater reward. That's the true transformation. But here's the key. Don't just set a goal and forget about it. Write it down, look at it every single day, visualize it, feel it. Because what you focus on expands. What you think about, you bring about. Now let's talk about habits. If goals are the destination, habits are the vehicle that gets you there. Your daily habits shape your life. As the saying goes, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. For the next 30 days, I want you to focus on building new empowering habits. And here's the secret. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 key habits that will have the biggest impact on your goals. Maybe it's waking up an hour earlier each day. Maybe it's reading for 30 minutes before bed. Maybe it's exercising for 20 minutes every morning. Whatever it is, commit to it. Do it every single day, no matter what, because consistency is the key to transformation. And here's something crucial. Track your habits. Keep a journal, use an app, whatever works for you, but track them, because what gets measured gets managed, and what gets managed improves. Think of habits like compound interest for your life. The daily impact may seem small, but over time the results are extraordinary. The habits you develop in these 30 days can literally change the trajectory of your life. Now, let's talk about the fourth pillar, action, because all the mindset work, goal setting, and habit building in the world mean nothing without action. Action is what brings it all to life. For the next 30 days, I want you to commit to massive action. Not just any action, massive action. Because average effort produces average results. And you're not here for average, are you? You're here for extraordinary. So what does massive action look like? It means doing more than you think you can. It means pushing beyond your comfort zone every single day. When you think you're done, do 5 more. When you want to quit, keep going. Now, I can already hear some of you thinking, but what if I fail? What if I put in all this effort and it doesn't work out? Let me tell you something. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every setback, every mistake, every misstep is just feedback. It's information you can use to adjust, refine, and improve. In fact, I want you to fail. Yes, you heard that right. I want you to fail because if you're not failing, you're not pushing yourself hard enough. You're playing it too safe. And playing it safe, that's the riskiest thing you can do in today's world. So for the next 30 days, I want you to reframe your relationship with failure. See it as a teacher, not an enemy. Embrace it, learn from it, and, most importantly, keep moving forward despite it. Now let's talk about something absolutely critical to your success over the next month, your environment. Your environment is more powerful than your willpower. If you want to transform your life, you need to transform your surroundings. For the next 30 days, be intentional about your environment, the people you surround yourself with, the information you consume, the places you spend your time. These factors shape you more than you realize. Let's start with the people in your life. Once said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So who are your 5? Are they pushing you to grow or are they holding you back? Are they supporting your dreams or are they filling your mind with doubt? For the next 30 days, seek out positive influences. Find mentors, even if it's through books, podcasts, or online content. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and make you want to be better. And if you don't have these people in your immediate circle, go out and find them. Join a group, attend seminars, network, whatever it takes. And while we're talking about environment, let's discuss the information you consume. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with content, but not all information is created equal. Some information empowers you, while some drains you. For the next 30 days, be intentional about what you allow into your mind. Cut out the negativity, the endless bad news, the gossip-filled social media, the mindless TV. Instead, feed your mind with content that inspires, educates, and pushes you to grow. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries, make learning a daily habit. Now let's talk about something many people overlook when it comes to personal transformation, your physical space. Your environment has a massive impact on your mindset and productivity. For the next 30 days, optimize your space for success. Clear out the clutter, organize your workspace, create an environment that energizes and inspires you, because when your space is in order, your mind follows suit. We've covered a lot, mindset, goals, habits, action, and environment, but there's one more crucial element to this 30-day transformation plan, accountability. It's easy to make promises to yourself. It's easy to set goals and say you're going to change. But when motivation fades, when life gets in the way, that's when accountability becomes essential. For the next 30 days, build accountability into your life. Find an accountability partner. Someone just as committed to growth as you are, someone who will check in on you, someone who will hold you to your word. It could be a friend, a family member, a colleague, or even a coach or mentor. The key is choosing someone you respect, someone you don't want to let down. Share your goals with them. Check in regularly. Be honest about your progress and your setbacks. And here's a powerful tip. Make a public commitment. Share your goals on social media. Tell your friends and family what you're doing. When you make your intentions public, you create social pressure to follow through. Use that pressure to your advantage. Now, as we near the end of our time together, let's be honest. This 30-day plan won't be easy. Transformation never is. There will be days when you don't feel like doing the work, moments when you want to give up, when you question if it's even worth it. In those moments, remember why you started. Remember the vision you have for your life. Remember the person you are becoming. And most importantly, remember this, the pain of discipline weighs ounces, but the pain of regret weighs tons. A month from now, you will arrive. That's guaranteed. The question is, where will you arrive? Will you be in the same place you are today with the same habits, the same mindset, the same results? Or will you be someone new, stronger, more disciplined, more successful? The choice is yours. And it's not a choice you make just once. It's a choice you make every single day. For the next 30 days, every time you wake up early, every time you push through discomfort, every time you choose growth over comfort, you're shaping your future self. And that future self, they're rooting for you. They know your potential. They're waiting for you to unleash it. So as we wrap up, let me leave you with this. The next 30 days will pass whether you take action or not. Time will move forward. The question is, will you move forward with it? Will you use these 30 days to transform your life, to build new habits, expand your mind, and push your limits? Or will you let them slip by another month of unrealized potential? I believe in you. I believe in your capacity to grow, to change, to succeed. But my belief doesn't matter nearly as much as your belief in yourself. So right here, right now, make a decision. Decide that the next 30 days will be different. Decide to give it your all. Decide to become the person you've always known you could be. Because success is not something you chase. Success is something you attract by the person you become. So for the next 30 days, focus on becoming. Become more disciplined, become more knowledgeable, become more resilient. And as you do, as you transform yourself day by day, you'll watch your life transform as well. Your relationships will improve, your career will accelerate, your health will flourish. Because when you change, everything changes. So go out there and make these next 30 days count. Embrace the challenge, the discomfort, and the growth. Because on the other side of that struggle lies the life you've always dreamed of. You have greatness within you, potential beyond what you can imagine. These next 30 days are your opportunity to tap into that power and unleash it. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Don't let another day pass without taking action. Start now. Start where you are. Start with what you have. But most importantly, just start. A month from now, you'll look back and either feel proud that you took action or regret that you didn't. The choice is yours. Remember, it's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. It's not about where you begin, but where you're determined to go. It's not about your past, it's about what you decide to do right now. So take that first step, make that first change, plant that first seed, then nurture it every single day for the next 30 days. Water it with your sweat, your determination, and your relentless pursuit of growth. And watch as that small effort begins to compound. This journey isn't just about changing your habits or actions. It's about transforming your identity. It's about becoming the kind of person who doesn't just dream of success, but actively creates it. A person who doesn't make excuses, but finds solutions. A person who doesn't wait for opportunities, but creates them. As you move through these next 30 days, keep a journal. Write down your thoughts, experiences, victories, and even setbacks. This journal will become a powerful tool for reflection and growth, a reminder of how far you've come and the lessons you've learned. At the end of each day, ask yourself two simple yet powerful questions. What did I learn today? How did I grow? Because growth is a choice. And for the next 30 days, that choice is in your hands. Now go. Make it happen. Because every small win is a step toward your transformation. Celebration isn't just about rewarding yourself. It's about reinforcing the belief that you are making progress, that your effort is paying off. When you acknowledge your victories, no matter how small, you build momentum. That momentum is what will carry you through the tough days, the moments of doubt, and the times when you feel like giving up. And let's not forget the power of gratitude. Every day, ask yourself, what am I grateful for? Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present, from what's wrong to what's right. It silences fear, doubt, and complacency, because when you truly appreciate what you have, you realize how much potential lies within you. Gratitude fuels resilience, ambition, and perseverance. It reminds you that every challenge is an opportunity, every setback is a lesson, and every effort, no matter how small, is a step forward. Now, as you go through this 30-day transformation, remember this: progress, not perfection. The goal is not to have a flawless journey. It's to show up every day, to learn, to grow, and to keep moving forward. You will stumble. You will have days where you fall short. That's okay. What matters is that you get back up, learn the lesson, and keep going. The real transformation happens not in never failing, but in never giving up. So as you embark on this journey, hold on to this truth. You are capable of incredible growth. You have the power to change your habits, shift your mindset, and design a life you love. Take it one day at a time, one step at a time, and trust that every bit of effort adds up. Celebrate yourself, stay grateful, and above all, keep going. Your future self is waiting. That's the essence of true transformation, seeing these 30 days as the beginning, not the end. Real success isn't about quick fixes or short-term gains. It's about building a foundation for lasting growth. The habits, discipline, and mindset you cultivate during this time should carry forward, shaping the person you become in the months and years ahead. So as you move through this journey, remind yourself, this is not just a challenge, it's a lifestyle shift. It's about committing to progress, embracing discomfort as a sign of growth, and recognizing that every small effort compounds into something extraordinary. At the end of these 30 days, you won't just be someone who tried, you'll be someone who transformed. And that transformation will be the catalyst for even greater success, resilience, and fulfillment in every area of your life. So start today, keep going, stay committed, because your future self, the one who has achieved those dreams, overcome those challenges, and built an incredible life, is waiting for you to take that first step and never look back.